Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Meta Pixel events for affiliate conversions. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, log into your Facebook Business Manager account. Navigate to the Events Manager section. Here, you will see your Meta Pixel listed. If you haven't created a pixel yet, click on Add a Data Source and select Web. Follow the prompts to create your pixel and install it on your website. Once your pixel is set up, click on it to access the pixel settings. In the pixel dashboard, locate the Event Setup tool and click on it. A new window will pop up, guiding you through event configuration. Copy your website URL and paste it into the provided field. Click Open Website to load your site in the Event Setup tool. As your site loads, look for the Track Events Automatically option. This will allow you to grab visitor interactions effortlessly. Enable this option and let the tool identify potential events. You will see a list of recommended events, including page view, add to cart, and purchase. Choose the events that are relevant for affiliate conversions. For each selected event, click on it to configure the specific parameters. You can assign values, include additional data, and set up custom event parameters. After configuring each event, return to the main dashboard. To ensure proper tracking, add additional custom events if needed. Review the events you've set up for accuracy. Once satisfied, click Finish Setup to save your changes. Next, navigate to your website to test the Pixel functionality. Use the Facebook Pixel Helper extension to verify event firing. Make a test click on your affiliate link to ensure tracking works correctly. Monitor the Events Manager for real-time data on conversions. Adjust any settings as necessary based on your testing results. And that's it. You've successfully configured Meta Pixel events for affiliate conversions. Now, you can effectively track and optimize your affiliate marketing efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.